everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here for a vlog. This is a little different for me. I don't normally vlog like this, but I do have something exciting going on this weekend. It is Juneteenth. Juneteenth was just officially made a federal holiday, so shout outs to USA for doing a cute little symbol for the people. Now we waiting for our reparations. I want my 40 acres and my mule. I want my student loans erased, forgiven. What else do I need? I'll have a list and I'll email the powers that be. But I'm being extra, but not seriously though. It's just a symbol. And we're a little tired of the symbols. It's cute or whatever, but like we need more. We need more. But anyway, so I have a couple things going on today. I actually have a Colonic that I'm about to go to. This will be my third Colonic in a series of 3. It is recommended that you do them 3 at a time. Like the first one kind of just like scratches the surface, and then the following 2 really do help to get rid of what needs to be gotten rid of, right? So with that being said, I'm on my way to Brooklyn to do that now. And then afterwards, I am going to go see Keisha Felix to get my hair done for the Juneteenth hair show, which is tomorrow, Saturday. So I'm getting my hair prepped today for it to be done, I guess, officially on Saturday. So stay tuned for that. I'll be sure to show you guys a little the process. So stay tuned. So now I'm in Bed-Stuy. I'm actually going to Gab-Hetep Holistic Spa. I believe that's the name of it. I'll have all the details down below. You can check them out. Not sponsored, but I do want to shout out this black woman-owned spa. You can get services like colonic, massages, reflexology, Reiki, things like that, right? So yeah, check out their website. And yeah, I took the Long Island Railroad to get out here. Honestly, I'm just getting over driving anxiety, but not to the point where I feel comfortable driving into Brooklyn. So yeah, driving into Brooklyn, that's gonna be something different when the time comes. But for the most part now, when I do drive, I am driving to the post office. That's it. Otherwise, I am taking Ubers, the subway, and the Long Island Railroad. I prefer to take the Long Island Railroad because it's just faster. It's just faster. That's it. And the Long Island Railroad doesn't just go through Long Island. It goes through Long Island, Queens, Brooklyn, Manhattan. Yeah. So I'm about a block away now. So now I'm out of there, y'all. The Colonics are a little brutal. They're a little brutal. But I feel a lot lighter. My stomach is a lot flatter. And the reason why I'm doing colonics, period, is because I want to optimize my gut health. At the end of the day, any sort of ailments that you have in your body, they come from your gut. So you want to keep your gut as healthy as you can. I'm working on curing my allergies. I have indoor allergies now, and I'm trying to cure that. So of course I'm not just doing colonics, I'm also eating high fiber foods, which help to like sweep out your colon. Yeah, and I'm also avoiding problematic foods like dairy, for instance. And from what I see, what I know, dairy isn't bad for everyone, but for me, I noticed that my symptoms are worse when I do have dairy. So also eggs, unfortunately. Yeah. So now I'm about to go grab a salad, then I'm gonna get in the Uber to Keisha to get my hair done. Right now I have my hair in an old twist out. It's not old actually. It's not old, but it looks kind of old because I've been using my rose water on it, which kind of encouraged it to drop. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Length check. All right. So I'll catch you at Keisha's. Y'all. How do I? Oh, push. Y'all, just those cookies I bought. That's not even like me to just buy something like that and not look at the ingredients. I used to eat those all the time, but I guess I just forgot that you haven't eaten it since you've had a wheat allergy. I had like 3 bites. I'll take the stairs. I had like 3 bites before I remembered, oh my God, you didn't look at the ingredients. And of course, what's the #1 ingredient? Wheat flour. Wheat flour. You guys know that, well, I have a wheat sensitivity now, which I haven't had until maybe, when was it? At least it wasn't diagnosed until the end of last year, I believe. Y'all. So yeah, that's another reason why I've been doing colonics. I'm just doing everything I can to heal my gut. A lot of people will just be like, okay, fine, I can't do this anymore. I can't do that anymore. I'll just take these medications. I don't want to do that. I don't want to take medications. I don't want to have to avoid foods that I love. So I'm going to do what I can to heal. Now that cookie is so good, I'm still going to eat it. But I'm going to not eat it all at the same time. I'm going to space it out. I'm getting out of breath. I'm going to space it out so that the impact isn't too crazy. I notice for me, if I eat a wheat thing or a gluten thing, and maybe like 7 hours later, I'll have symptoms. So I'll probably have some symptoms tonight before bed. Before bed. Here I am. And hopefully it's not too bad because I didn't overindulge like I normally would. But I'm about to get my hair done now. Stay tuned. Y'all. All right, now it is about going on 9 o'clock and I'm finally out of there. I was getting my hair braided, but I was also helping Keisha out with his hair, and I was also waiting for someone else to get their hair finished. Another model, Trina. I was waiting for Trina to get her hair finished. So that's why it took so long. See, the sun is setting. It looks darker outside now. And right now I'm waiting for my Uber to go home because I'm not trying to take the train back. I'm tired. I just wanna get to Queens, wash my face. But yeah, this is the braids, but like, it's just a prep, okay? He'll finish my hair at the event tomorrow. What do you think he's gonna do? Leave a comment below with your guesses. I'm really excited because it's gonna be a style that I've never really done before. Although I've always wanted to. But let me go back to the pickup spot. I was just walking around. But I'm gonna go back to the pickup spot so the Uber could come and get me. And see you at the show. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.